all think about sustainability, we all look at government, but what can we do ourselves? We want to reduce the number of fossil fuel which are used in the civil society, but we also want to improve people's income, and we also want to stimulate people to have a more comfortable house, and they all come together in our project. Together with the Name is our movement where people find each other to do something about sustainability with a focus on energy transition and energy savings. Now it's spread out of the country and it's already in 5 villages all around the south of Holland. We organize sustainable cafes and people meet each other at that places, and then they start to discuss these issues. After the cafe they meet each other again, and then they're going to work on more sustainable issues in their own house. You can find a customer journey in our website, which means that you point at what kind of house you got and you find all kinds of solutions which fits your house. Our volunteers are on top and they're supported by the board, not the other way around. We hope that our volunteers share their knowledge also outside the city, within their family, with their relatives and things like that, so then it could spread on a natural way. Because if people are using our concept in another city, we don't have to be there, but people can do it themselves. Basically, inhabitants themselves, all the people who do something about their house, they are the benefiters. But at the same time, everybody's benefiting, because if you don't have carbon emissions anymore, it's not just for your house, it's for everybody.